God have mercy.
Hey!
Come, Ike. No be father car dey hear so.
Now my father car now, wetin happen?
Wetin making the blow in car horn for this kind of hot afternoon now?
Person wey get car, make no blame car horn again.
Since your father buy that car for the past 4 months, no new horn no dey blow up and down. The tire no dey work, the exhaust and the steering no dey work. Abi the car dey fear to enter road.
Come, which kind talk sound this one now?
You sure say na car wey your father buy? I been buy trumpet in the form of car. If they blow trumpet, they hungry your father. Make him send car and go buy 500 trumpets.
Jesus.
When he buy the trumpets, make car and go Anglican church. Make them teach him how to blow them. When he let them finish, make him pack go to church, go there. On Monday, him blow one trumpet. On Tuesday, him blow another trumpet. On Wednesday, him blow on that one until this world ends. So I go from there, go heaven.
Then if him can't go heaven, wetin go happen?
Them they find more trumpeters for heaven.
Jesus.
9 type, 9 God they find.